Okay, class 10 student, now we can discuss cross multiplication method. So generally, like we write the linear equation in this form: ax a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So if you want to solve by cross multiplication method, so we can directly learn this formula. Formula is like b1 b2 c1 c2. Again, now here we have to repeat again c1 c2 a1 a2, and here we write 1 a1 a2 b1 b2. Only this concept you have to learn how to write it. Okay, now after that, how will we learn from, firstly we can go down, so it will be like b1 c2, and when we come up like this, so we have to put a minus sign, so it will be like b2 c1. Okay, then for y the same only. When we go like this, so we'll write like c1 a2, and when we go up, so we'll put a minus sign and it will be c2 a1. In the same way, for the 1 is like this: a1 b2 minus a2 b1. When we get whatever the value again, then we can compare. For example, we can compare x is equal to x with like b1 c2 minus b2 c1 with last term, this a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay, so value of x will be b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay, in the same way we can compare y, like y is with this c1 a2 minus c2 a1 with this, it is like a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So our y value will be how much? c1 a2 minus c2 a1 whole upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is a general formula I have written like this. But how can we solve directly? I'll let you know. See, the one example I have taken here, the equation is 3x minus 5y plus 1 and x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So we can compare with the general equation. We write a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. And here we write like a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So now here you can compare a1 value is how much? 3. b1 value is how much? Minus 5. And c1 value is how much? 1. And here you can compare a2 value is how much? 1. With x nothing is there, that we can write 1. And b2 value is how much? Minus 1. And c2 value is how much? 1. Then the same way we have to write, like we write x b1 b2 c1 c2 we can write. Okay, in the same way here y c1 will be repeated again, and it will be a1 a2, and here 1 a1 a2 b1 b2. Now here we not putting this, because here we can direct write the values, like b1 value is how much? Minus 5. b2 value is how much? Minus 1. c1 value is how much? 1. c2 value is how much? 1. So again c1 value is 1 1. a1 a2, a1 is 3 and a2 is 1. And here a1 value is how much? 3. a2 value is 1. b1 value is how much? Minus 5. And b2 value is how much? Minus 1. So now the same only. X. Firstly we'll go down to minus 1 into 5, it will be minus 5. In the formula there is a minus sign. And when we go up, minus minus, it will multiply minus 1. So here it will become minus 1. So it will be change sign and it will be 1. Again like this we can go, that will be 1. In the formula is minus 1 into 3. Alright. In the same way here, from this if you multiply, so we will get minus 3. In the formula there is a sign of negative, and if we go up, this is minus 5, so minus 5, and here the minus, so it becomes plus. So here we get like x equal to how much? Minus 4. Y equal to how much? Minus 2. And 1 equal to how much? 5 minus 3 2. So now x minus 4 to be compared with 1 upon 2, and y minus 2 will be compared with 1 upon 2. So here x value will be like minus 4 upon 2, and we can calculate, we get the answer minus 2, and here it is like minus 2 upon 2, and we can cancel, we get like 1. So 1 equal to how much? Minus this, so we get this value. This is a very simple method. This is called cross multiplication method. I hope you all of you understand it. Thank you.